Xin chào, tôi tên là Raylene Bueno, tôi tên từ Kipayo Calabanga Camarines Sur, with du Gapa. Let us now proceed to the best practices of Vietnam's education. Vietnam places strong importance on STEM education. Emphasizing STEM equips students with critical thinking, problem solving, and technical skills important for success in a modern, innovation driven economy. Vietnam's focus prepares its future workforce to compete globally. Vietnam places an early emphasis on STEM education and literacy. Introducing STEM concepts early builds a strong foundation in analytical and scientific thinking. It cultivates interest and proficiency from a young age, increasing the likelihood of students pursuing STEM careers later, which is essential for national development. Continuing education in Vietnam promotes lifelong learning. Supporting education and skill upgrades ensures that citizens can adapt to changing job markets and technologies. Lifelong learning promotes resilience and economic flexibility, reducing unemployment and underemployment. Technical and vocational education and training, or TVET, is a priority in Vietnam. TVET connects education directly with industry needs, offering practical skills that lead to employment. Vietnam's emphasis on Tibet addresses skills mismatches and supports youth and adult employability in key economic sectors. The average student teacher ratio in Vietnam's general education is about 1 is to 25 to 1 is to 30. It is a manageable student ratio that allows for more individualized attention, better classroom management, and improved learning outcomes. It enhances the quality of instruction and supports student engagement. The Vietnamese government offers partial or full tuition exemptions for eligible students at public institutions. Financial support in the form of tuition waivers improves access to education, especially for disadvantaged or low income groups. It reflects a commitment to equity and social inclusion in education. Vietnam performed well in both the PISA and TIMSS assessments. Strong results in international benchmarks like PISA, or Program for International Student Assessment, and TIMSS stands for Trends in International Mathematics and Science Study, demonstrate the effectiveness of Vietnam's curriculum, teaching practices, and student learning outcomes on a global scale. Vietnam's collaboration with international partners in education. Interna- International collaboration brings in new perspectives, expertise, and resources. It helps Vietnam modernize its education system, align with global best practices, and promotes innovation and cross-cultural exchange. Next is the recommendations from the Vietnam's education system for the Philippines education system. First, the Philippines needs to enhance STEM education. Vietnam's early and sustained focus on STEM has helped students perform well internationally. For the Philippines, enhancing STEM education can better prepare students for high demand, technology driven careers, and improve competitiveness in science and innovation. Next, the Philippines need to strengthen vocational and technical education. Vietnam's strong emphasis on Tibet has created a skilled workforce aligned with industry needs. The Philippines can reduce youth unemployment and close the skills gap by investing in practical, career-oriented training that links directly to labor market opportunities. Next, the Philippines need to improve the use of technology in classrooms. Vietnam has increasingly integrated digital tools in teaching and learning. The Philippines can enhance student engagement and education delivery, especially in remote areas, by adapting ICT tools and training teachers in effective technology use. The Philippines need to increase the education budget and resource allocation. This is so important. Vietnam relatively efficient allocation for resources supports quality teaching, infrastructure, and learning materials. Despite of the na may problema din ang Vietnam, pero still they have a budget than the bigger budget than the Philippines. The Philippines could benefit from higher education spending to address classrooms shortages, improve teaching training, and provide adequate learning resources. Next, the Philippines need to strengthen assessment and quality assurance. Vietnam's success in global assessments reflects strong system for monitoring learning outcomes and educational quality. The Philippines can adopt more rigorous assessment tools and quality control mechanisms to ensure standards are consistently met across schools. Next, the Philippines need to promote inclusivity and access. Vietnam offers tuition waivers and promotes inclusive policies that allow more equitable access to education. The Philippines can improve access for marginalized groups through financial aid, inclusive curriculum, and support services. Next, the Philippines need to foster global academic ties. Vietnam's collaboration with international partners has helped modernize its education system. The Philippines can benefit similarly by engaging in academics exchanges, international training, and joint research to stay current with global education trends and innovation. For the conclusion, comparing the Philippines and Vietnam reveals the notable differences in their priorities, systems, and outcomes of education. Vietnam shows particular strength in STEM education, vocational training, technological integration, and government investment in education, all which contribute to its competitiveness and academic performance on a global scale. The Philippines' education system can greatly improve by adapting aspects of inclusivity, innovation, and international cooperation focused on Vietnam, which helps create a more effective, equitable, and prepared future education system. That's all for the comparative analysis of the education system of Philippines and Vietnam.